How to transfer USDT from Bitget to Binance. For that, first of all, you need to launch your Bitget exchange. Then tap on the Assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Afterwards, tap on the Spot option and here select the Withdraw option. Now, since we want to transfer USDT, you need to use the search bar in the top and search for USDT. Once you are able to find USDT, that would be Tether USDT, you need to tap on it. Then select the on-chain withdrawal network. After that, you will be landed on the on-chain withdrawal page where you just have to simply select the withdrawal network. By default, it will select BEP20 network. So if you want to change it, then tap on the drop down menu and here you will have all of the networks that you can use in order to initiate the transaction. It will also show you the amount of money that you need to pay as a gas fees. So if you want to save money on gas fees, then you can go with BEP20 network. After that, you just have to simply find the withdrawal address. So in order to get the address, you need to launch the Binance mobile application. Then on the home page, tap on the add funds option and select deposit crypto. Then use the search bar in the top again and search for USDT. Once you are able to find USDT, you need to simply tap on it and then it will ask you to choose the network. Now you need to remember that here you need to choose the same network that you have chosen in your Bitget exchange, which in my case is BEP20 network. So you need to tap on the BEP20 network and as soon as you do this, you will be able to see a QR code as well as a deposit address. So you need to tap on the copy button in order to copy the deposit address from your Binance account. Then you need to come back to your Bitget exchange and in the withdrawal address, you need to just paste that code. After that, in the withdrawal amount, you need to enter the amount that you want to withdraw. You need to remember that the minimum withdrawal amount is $10. Then it will show you the fees in the bottom left hand corner and in the right hand section you need to tap on the withdraw option. On the next page you need to review every details and once everything is correct, tap on the confirm option. Once your transaction is initiated, processed and completed, you will be able to transfer your USDT from Bitget to your Binance account. Now it may take from 1 minute to 5 minutes, so you need to be patient. That was it for this video. I will see you in the next one.